Presenting, Nikon digital camera Z30, VOK110XN in black. It comes in a size of 20 by 13 by 17 centimeters and weighs 900 grams. This single-lens camera is suitable for vlogging and content creation as it comes with hybrid autofocus system and image stabilization. The 3 inches LCD display has a resolution of 30 pixels and supports 4K video recording, while Full HD 120p recording is available for slow-motion playback. The 20.9 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor is perfect for photography. This camera is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible with SnapBridge app for remote camera control and wireless photo transfer. The box contains the camera body and lens.